Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your first time seeing this beautiful face. Kindly consider subscribing, like this video and comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you my everyday makeup routine or tutorial or something. So if you want to see how I do my makeup every day or how you can do it yourself, continue watching. Okay guys, I always start with a primer to prime my face. I love primer because it helps with setting my foundation, and today I'll be using Kiss Beauty primer. It's the first time I'm using it, so I will tell you guys what I will, if I like it or not after using it for a while. So you can use Kiss Beauty, you can use Maybelline. There is no limit, but remember guys to always use a primer to prime your face. So after using the primer, you will make sure you rub it off on your face so that when you're applying the foundation it has already set. Here I've already done my eyebrows, so we'll go straight to the application of the primer. The next step I use after the primer is using a good foundation, and Maybelline of course is one of the best foundation that it's good for an everyday look. First, because it's light on your face, and the second thing is because it's buildable. The coverage, you can build it up. So here I'm just applying the foundation to my face, and yeah. So if you are looking for a good foundation for an everyday look, you can try the Maybelline Fit Me. It's affordable and it's good for beginner and an everyday look. On this place, after now the foundation, I like using a brush, because sometimes when you use a beauty blender it takes so much of the product. So currently I've been using a brush, but it's not a must use a brush. You can use a beauty sponge, or even you can use your hands, but I like using a brush. So after now, here I'm just blending in the foundation. Remember guys, the blending is the key to a flawless look. You have to blend in your foundation. You have to blend it. Take time to blend in the foundation until you get that perfect look. Okay, I'm done with my foundation, so we highlight with a lighter shade on under my eye. So guys, I like highlighting my under the eyes using a lighter shade than my skin shade. So here I'm using a lighter shade to just highlight and give a brighter look under my eyes, on my forehead. And guys, make sure you blend. Here I'm using a beauty sponge because it's good for blending and it's small. I can manipulate it how I want. Take time blending the foundation, so that the highlight, so that you don't have harsh line under your eyes. Continue blending until you are satisfied with the whole look. I don't use contouring palette. I just use a good eyeshadow that is a bit dark. That's what I use to contour my face. Nothing complicated, something that you can do every day just to give a sharp result on my face. So that's what I use. I use an eyeshadow, a dark eyeshadow to contour my face. So after I contour my face, what I'll do, I'll just blend in the contour. And this is a step that you can skip. It's not a must to contour your face. An everyday look should be simple, quick, fast, but something classy. So this is a step that you can skip. After now contouring the face and applying the highlight, I like setting the highlighted areas with a powder. In particular, I use Black Opal translucent powder is one of the best, but if you don't have it, you can use Sacha Buttercup or any preferred loose powder to set your highlight. Now here we are just using a mascara to elevate the eye look. Remember guys, an everyday look, you don't need to use eyelashes, fake lashes, because they take time if you are a beginner, and you can just use a mascara to just elevate and give volume to your lashes. After that, I'm just lining my lips with a lip pencil. I like lining my lips so that it can give you that sharp look when you're applying a nude lipstick. So here I'm just aligning the lipstick with just an eye pencil, nothing complicated, just lining my lips. Okay guys, after applying the lip liner on my lips, the next step, I use a nude lipstick. Remember guys, this is an everyday look, so you don't want to be bright from Monday to Monday. There's the way to settle down your lips, and you can only do that with a nude lipstick. So I will be using a nude lipstick to just apply it on my lips, and I really love this lipstick. It's very nice, and I love the color. The most step that I don't want to skip is applying the bronzer on my cheeks. This bronzer gives life to this makeup and give me highlight, and just it gives me a very nice finish. Guys, remember, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Support this channel. I'll be uploading a new video every day, so stay tuned, watch this video until the end, and support your girl. So for those who are asking about the hair, my hair, these are my own collection. I do sell human hair wigs. My final step will be a setting spray. You need this setting spray to set the foundation, the concealer, to set everything, to bring everything together and to give the glow on the look. So I will use a setting spray, and here I'm just waiting for the setting spray to set, or to settle on my skin as I make my hair. And this guys, the complete look of today's, or my everyday go look. This is my final look for everyday makeup. This is how I do my makeup, nothing complicated, simple but classy and elegant. So if you've enjoyed watching this, my everyday makeup tutorial, kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think about this look, and share it with your friends. And until tomorrow for another video, bye for now. Bye bye.